Hello, everyone, and thank you for today. Thank you for joining today's webinar. Today, we are going to be talking about how to sell website services. My name is Peter Brindle. I'm the sales marketing specialist here at Vendasta. So, without further ado, let's jump into the webinar. So, selling website services, it can be quite difficult for agencies because unlike selling a product where the transaction might take minutes or even seconds, selling website services require quite a lot of effort and attention. Uh, Additionally, selling even just websites to a small business can be extremely time consuming, and mastering that sales pitch can be quite a daunting task. So, really, the key thing here is your sales team must work to show value in order for the small business to invest in your services. So, how do you show value to prospective customers? Just like any other product or service that you're selling, a prospective customer is only going to buy if they understand the value of the purchase. So, when selling website services, there are many selling points that a salesperson can target. The first thing to do is to start by looking at the business's current website. This is something we have mentioned in past webinars, but it is so key to do that research and really take a look at their current website. Now, for a salesperson, it can be kind of difficult sometimes to understand the technical aspects of a website or what to look for in quality designed websites. And I mean, some might be very well technically versed, but others may not. And if they're not, the main thing that a salesperson wants to focus on is the user experience. And if that is a bit technical, to really boil it down, a salesperson can do a subjective test on the website that they're looking at and researching, and kind of ask themselves some questions of how does this website make me feel? What could make this website better? Kind of focus in on kind of just how they're feeling about the website, because it's a good chance that if they're feeling like this, prospective customers looking at this client's website would also feel the same way. Uh, and so, really, that key point there is to do that research. Really find out about your client's website so that you can focus in on a few details. For example, if you notice that the page is loading slowly, that would be a place to have a conversation about any of the different speed techniques that we had talked about in our past webinar, because really you want the page to load in 3 seconds or less. Any longer, and that's an opportunity for your agency, your salesperson, to talk to that prospective client about their page speeds. Some other things you can look for in design. The website design is extremely important for the user experience. So, what to look for in these in design is consistency. You want the layout of the website to have a consistent theme, navigating through different pages on a prospective client or client's website. Things should look fairly similar. They should all be very cohesive. If each page looks wildly different than the other, that's going to be an opportunity to talk about the consistency of their design. Simplicity. The website shouldn't be overwhelming visitors with content or any really aggressive animations. So it should be pretty simple and easy to browse that website. You don't want huge animations, really strong colors, unless that's somehow part of their branding. Your website is going to want to focus on simplicity and getting the information that the people need without being bogged down with too much extra showy kind of animations and things. The next is the web page easy to read, and this kind of goes along with the simplicity. You don't want crazy colors, neon fonts. You want it to actually be easy to read with human eyes, but also that the information on it is also easy to digest. So keeping the font small, or not small, keeping the font larger and also in a good color scheme. Some people really have trouble reading white font on a black background. So keep that in mind. And also just that the actual content is easy to digest. Kind of bullet points, make sure that all that information is sectioned out. So now, what if they don't have a website? This is definitely a problem for that prospective or current client. But for you, their problem is basically one of the best situations for you, because really, then this means just you can even go off of the basis of that they need to have a website. In this day and age, that's basically their online storefront, and if they don't have a website, it's basically like not even having a physical store. Uh, a website is a 24/7 marketing tool for a small business, allowing them to promote their brand without really extensive effort. The website drives customers to the physical store. Consumers that are searching for a business online, about 50% of them are mobile, and they visit the store within about 1 day, and that's a statistic from Google. Uh, the website also helps a business establish credibility with various people, even to the extent that sometimes banks look to a company website when providing business loans, and customers look at a company website for kind of their impression of the business before they make an in-store visit. So if that website isn't looking very sharp or doesn't look professional, there is a chance that they will just skip over your website, your store completely and not actually go there. So what do businesses fear then the most about kind of websites or website services or any of these things? And really, what a business fears most is kind of those one-time freelance web designers looking to just build a website for thousands of dollars and then they're never heard from again. Small business owners don't always understand how a website works, especially if any of those things we've been talking about on the website, like the design, the speed, any of those details, if they're lacking, there is a good chance that they don't know a lot about websites. And so having a website built for them and then being left alone can really be a big concern for a small business. So being able to offer them solutions, that's going to be really important. Small businesses' goals, their goals, their direction, brand can change a lot from year to year. And it can be really frustrating for a local business when the website no longer, the person that built the website is no longer in communication with the business because then they can't change anything. So what's the solution to this? Make your agency sticky. So for an agency to be successful, you're going to need to not just sell a website, but it's also about developing a long-term client relationship so that you can grow that valuable business relationship and provide ongoing value that will be beneficial to both the small businesses, but also your agency itself. It's going to keep your agency making money and growing, and it's going to give those small businesses that connection to their website developer that they need and want. So a local business needs active solutions for the website problems or their demands. So you need to offer the right tools and services to allow your client to have success with their website. So what are some of the key things that you can do to make your agency sticky? These are kind of the three main ideas. And the first is going to be a maintenance package and design upgrades. So if your clients are looking for ROI, return on investment, offer them the right resources to have monthly reoccurring revenue. So this can come in the form of a maintenance package or design upgrades kind of yearly. That's working on that yearly cycle of, hey, we changed our direction, our messaging, branding, anything like that. So having design upgrades you could do yearly, monthly, whatever is best suited to them. And also maintenance just to keep that website looking modern and up to date. The next one is management and design tools. So a website does need ongoing management and design assistance to keep it fresh and relevant. So your client, you can also offer clients the tools to manage and build their own website with your agency's help. So kind of that do it with me format. If the business owner that you're talking to does actually know something about websites and does want to have some active control, kind of be able to go change a few things whenever they see fit, then offering something in the way of a management or design tools, that is also another really great option. And then the last one here is website add-ons. And website add-ons, these are additional products that are website services to keep your clients sticking around. It could be things like live chat, appointment scheduling, review generation. These are all different things, and these are all different products that we do have in our marketplace too. We have live chat, we have appointment scheduling, a review generation widget. These are all options that can be added to a website. And this is kind of the meat and potatoes of your offering. The website is the meat and potatoes of your offering. And then kind of the spices, vegetables, all those smaller things are great services to really go that extra mile. So again, a lot of these different add-ons, if you go to Vendasta's marketplace, there's actually a website link in marketplace. You can kind of drill down the different types of categories for marketplace products, and one of them is websites, and that's where you'll find live chat, appointment scheduling, all these other great add-ons to kind of give your agency that extra edge and really go that extra mile. Now, two I wanted to focus in on, and these are the two major ones, those meat and potato type of services, is we have Website Pro, and this is Vendasta's website hosting for WordPress sites. It allows you to host WordPress sites with the security of the Google Cloud platform. It's really great for doing all your hosting if you do need a fast and secure solution. The other one I wanted to mention, and this is kind of if you are wanting to do it with me or completely just sell a solution for building websites, this would be website creation. It's another one in the marketplace. It's a great solution for if you want to allow your clients to actually build their own websites. You could also build in some kind of solution where you help them with this using this product. And then the last one I want to give a quick plug in is just about our website creation service. That's if you really want to be very hands off, we can help develop a website for your clients with website creation. That leaves all the work to Vendasta. And then that way that takes one of those one of those tasks off of your plate, also available in the marketplace. And so now that we kind of have all of the different products that can be sold and what to look for in their website, how are we going to perfect that sales pitch? So there's kind of three main elements when you're communicating with a business client, everything that we just talked about. And to sell website services, the first thing you need to do is get customers to buy in. So you really need to be able to show that value in your agency's services. This is what a salesperson does to show a local business where to improve in their current website or show the value in creating a website. So if they don't have one, being able to show the value in creating a website, or how it's going to increase the value if they actually improve that website. The next one is eliminating that fear of a one-time design. So again, that's really focusing on that you will be there for the long haul. You'll be able to offer those design changes, and you will be there to help. You're not going to vanish. So you can show that your clients, that your agency, and also here at Vendasta, we are able to help either your agency or your clients with the website every step of the way. And the last one here is offering a variety of services for the business. So offering numerous web building solutions to your clients. So if your clients prefer WordPress, no problem. Then you can use Website Pro and import their WordPress site to host it. Clients that want to build their own website, then that would be the website builder product. And then we also have website creation from Vendasta that allows Vendasta to completely make the website for your agency to give to your client. All three of those options, really great. But the other thing is, if your agency is in the position to, offering a wide variety of services is also a great option. That way you have something that fits every business's need. So definitely go into the marketplace, take a look at them, and see which ones fit into your agency's plans. Offering a wide variety of website services is always a great option. So in summary, in order to stay competitive and meet the demands of your clients, your agency is going to need to offer that variety of solutions. Other agencies and freelance designers are really able to kind of steal that business if they're just doing that one and done. But your agency can offer that long-term solution and really give that small business peace of mind. So really differentiate your agency from the rest of the offerings with those essential kind of add-ons, being there to support them throughout their journey, and then also giving a wide range of options. So that was everything for today's webinar. I'll open it up for questions. If anyone does have any questions, I will take them now. Okay, perfect. So I don't think there are any questions for today. So that was everything for our webinar. If you do come up with any questions after the fact, definitely get in contact with your partner success manager. They should be able to help you out with any of your questions. Thank you so much for joining, and please join us next week. Oh, I see one question here. What if a customer is looking to build a website in another option here? Okay, so that is something that I can get your contact or your partner success manager in touch with, and they can talk to you about some of the specific advantages of our solutions, the products that we offer in the marketplace against our competitors. So that's definitely something that our partner success manager can kind of help outline a little bit more there. So we'll definitely get in contact with you. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining today's webinar. Please join us next Thursday for our webinar. And until then, have a great week.